Hello, today I'm going to show you how to convert MOV to MP4 files on iPhone. Let's start. Open up the App Store. Here search MP4 Converter. Scroll to open the app. Click to get the app. Wait until the app is downloaded. Then open the app. Select the video you want to convert. Choose a video from the gallery. Then click to start converting. So now the converted video file is ready. You can share or save this video. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this and explain me how we're solving new problems every day.